Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Well, I wouldn't really call this a vlog. I'm just going to be doing like a little cooking video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. My kids love when I make the birria tacos, if that's how you pronounce it. But I did see on YouTube where someone was making like a egg roast style burrito taco, and they also made some chicken alfredo. So I'm going to try that today. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, I got my carrots, tomatoes. I got some more tomatoes I need to get out. Onion, and this is, I use chicken broth in mine. And then I got the peppers that I'm going to use in here. So I have this brand. We have these peppers. And then also has peppers. So I know when you're making these, you should take out some of the seeds so it won't be bitter. I got that recipe from someone here on YouTube. So don't kill me if that's wrong, but this is just the way I do it and my kids like it. So yeah, so let me get this stuff chopped up. I'm going to blend, well, actually I'm going to put it in some water and boil it and get it soft, and then we're going to be blending it up and then move on to the next process. And a couple of these because I believe these are hotter than those. Okay, you guys, I'm about to season up my roast meat, chuck roast beef meat. That's what I got. And I'm just going to use garlic powder, cumin, and sazon. I already have these seasonings, like the bay leaves, little cinnamon. I like to put that in there, some oregano, and also like to use this little chicken stock bouillon flavor powder in there. That was recommended from a recipe that I saw on YouTube. This is still boiling. And a little pepper. And I really don't measure my food. Like I was saying, I really don't measure. I just put seasoning until I just feel like it's right in my soul. So yeah, so you would just season this to taste how you know, how much seasoning you want on there. Because I do not measure over here. We do not measure. Just get this all mixed up in here. First, get that in there. I don't know if all of it's gonna fit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my peppers and onion and all the rest of these vegetables into the blender. To add this water in here. I'm just going to pour this in, the mixture in here. I'm going to just pour a little bit of chicken broth in there. The top on, we're going to pressure cook it for about 30 minutes. Well, no, I'm going to do 40 minutes. Okay, so I have the meat all done, and then I'm gonna just try to shred it up. So when I put it in the wonton wrappers, it'll just be, you know, easy. So this is just set in there and soak. Here is the finished product. These are the egg roll, the chicken Alfredo one, and this is the Birria one. Sauce, and this is the Birria sauce. Well, egg roll. So let's see